Very exciting news, guys. We're going to be using our rooftop tent for the very first time. Now, we want to show you what we're bringing with us, and this is just going to be a one-night camp. Without further ado, let's get started. We're going to be bringing some lawn chairs. Got our sleeping bags, clothes. We got this tote, which is full of like tarps, lights, tape, a little pot for cooking, you name it. This is the Canon camera bag. This is the tripod, little crafty Haley crochet kit. This is a little table that can fold out and would be useful, you know, when we're eating. The GoPro bag. More GoPro accessories. Bear spray. A knife here that I just got. Pretty sick. We got pillows, we got extra blankets, some hats in case we're cold. We have some hats, propane, so we can eat our soup. This is not taco sauce, this is soap. We reused the bottle. Got some good snacks. You know, like trail mix, some mini crisps, some rice chips, you name it. Oh, can't forget our vitamins. And here is just some cords to power up this baby. This baby is a cooler, but it's also a little refrigerator as well. You plug it into your car, and it keeps everything inside cold.
You've never used it. This is the first time.
Very first time we're going to be using it, so super excited. We're just taking a little rest stop at one of the rest stops along the Skinner Highway. Such a beautiful view behind us. Yeah, and this is where, well, we're not camping here, but we're camping along the Skinner River, and it's just gonna be just so nice, so nice. Yeah. It's a little quieter over here. Maybe. Hey, I hope you guys can hear me, but yeah, we finally made it to our camp spot, and holy, it's gorgeous. Yeah, we got like tons of mountains around us, lots of water. There's a train currently behind us going over the bridge, so sorry if you can't hear me all too well. But yeah, honestly, our plan tonight is just to relax, take in the nature that's around us, and like maybe have a little fire and just eat some soup and sleep. Yeah, and just enjoy and relax, and yeah. You got anything to add?
It's just stunning.
Yeah, right there was a highway. It's not the quietest spot, but honestly, like for our first time taking this tent out, it's not the worst spot, right? We're close to home, about an hour or so away, or
Probably closer to terrace.
yeah, a bit closer to terrace, but you know, it's a good spot, you know, just try out our tent, and honestly, less wildlife, right? All this noise, and but yeah, we're gonna do some more exploring. Hey guys, I think I found dinosaur bones. Check it out. Yeah, that looks like a T-Rex T-Rex arm. Easy. So first time setting it up on our first camping trip with it, went pretty good. Only took us about 15 minutes to set her up, and honestly it's just going to get faster the more we do it. So I was very pleased at like how easy it came up, and yeah, there's no difficulties. All went smoothly. I think that's it.
Awesome.
I'm taking videos while she's working. I got a pretty good gig here.
That's what I was doing earlier.
This is pretty cool. These two sleeping bags can zip up together, so it's like one big sleeping bag, which is amazing.
The only thing I will say about these sleeping bags in specific, they are a mummy style sleeping bag by Mountain Warehouse, and I have the regular length. John has the long length, which is like 3 or 4 inches longer. It basically ends up being that there's 3 or 4 inches of zipper at the top exposed.
Not the end of the world.
And then we got quilts in here from my gran.
Homemade.
They'll keep us extra toasty if we need them. Because it is only March, end of March. I don't think it'll be that bad. But these aren't like
it'll still be above 0.
I think so, yeah.
Plus
I think it's supposed to be 4, and these are comfort rated to 5 degrees.
Yeah.
So, I don't know. I don't think we're gonna be cold at all. I was dumb.
Yeah, we bought the rooftop tent in May, give or take, in May.
2024.
2024, yes. We're 2025 right now. We didn't use it last summer. We bought these Thule's bars. The guy said that, yeah, that'd be good to support my rooftop tent. So the problem with that is that the front bars of the, of the Thule set ended up on that Freedom top of my Jeep,
The part that comes off?
Yeah, well, it all comes off, but the difference is the other parts that come off are bolted, and the Freedom top isn't. It's just held with a piece of plastic. So then I brought my vehicle to the dealership to get it looked at, and they're like, yo, no, this is going to rip it off. I'm like, so I'm like, okay. So took the rooftop tent down, returned the Thule bars, and we ordered a roof rack that you see behind me. Now, everywhere was sold out. So when we ordered it, it said, oh, it's gonna be 6 to 8 weeks. I ordered it in July. How many months later? December.
It was 6 months.
December, on my birthday, actually, it arrived. So yeah, so that was a while. Long time to wait.
Mm-hmm.
And then we ended up putting it all together, and this is the first time we're taking it out.
Long time coming.
Man, the build up for this trip is insane. Started in 2024, a year ago almost.
Mm-hmm.
Almost a whole year later. Such a beautiful campfire. We got our nuts. It's so beautiful, but not as beautifuler as you. Quite the view. Oh.